how to use the Workboard in Atrieve. The first thing we're going to do is go to the school website, and we'll go to the staff room and enter our username and password. Our username is always our first name dot last name. And we'll hit submit, and then we're going to go into the staff portal. And the username and password is the same there, so first name dot last name. We'll log in. And Herb is a casual, and he's going to look to see if there's anything on the workboard. So he's going to go into My Info, Time and Attendance, Dispatch and Workboard, and he's going to go to the workboard. And it appears that there is something available on the workboard for him to pick up at Four Winds School. So he's going to select that ID number and just check that the start and end time works for him. It says that it's at Four Winds. He's going to accept that opening, and he can print that if he wants. Now, as a casual, if you want to check what jobs you've picked up, you can always go to My Info, Time and Attendance, View or Change. And on this page, you can see the jobs that you've picked up. If we want to just double check the job at Four Winds that we had picked up, you can always click on the ID number. Sometimes there's a message for the replacement, so just double check that before you head over to the school. And that's it. If you have any questions or need help with a password, you can always reach out to HR. Thanks for watching.